Hey guys, welcome back to Milano's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the benefits of having low density wigs. So some key features of having low density is easier to style, more comfortable, lighter, and more realistic looking. So not having that extra volume, making it look more natural like your normal hair would look like, making it easier to style. So when you're like curling it, you're not taking a long time. It's more natural looking and not so voluminous. Also, it's a lot lighter, so instead of having really full density, having a low density wig just feels lighter, more breathable, and easier to wear. Also, if you're wearing your wig for a really long time, that low density comes to play and feels a lot more comfortable. For example, I have a low density wig from Milano. It's their DIVINE Wig, and it looks very natural. It sits really flat as well, and it's perfect if you're more petite, have a smaller face, and you can also go ahead and get some face framing in it or layers to even make it more low density. I'm able to do my day-to-day activities. It's not super heavy on my head and it's super light. Milano strives for the most natural looking wig. This is why they specialize in low density wigs. The two low density wigs that Milano provides is the DIVINE Wig, which I'm wearing right now, and also the Ponytail Wig. So the DIVINE Wig is a lace top and the ponytail is a silk top, and the ponytail is really cool because you're able to put it up in a bun or a high ponytail and style it. So here are two DIVINE wigs. They are mid-length, so 20 inches. So this one is styled in the loose waves, super easy and lightweight. And then we have this beautiful sleek straight look in our other DIVINE mid. They are both beautiful, super easy to style and make them your own. Here are our two ponytails that are low density. So here is our 22-inch ponytail, and then we have our 26-inch ponytail. Super low density, natural looking. You can also put them up. They also have pre-cut layers in them, so super easy to curl and style. So Milano also has their Princess Wig. It's even a lower density than the DIVINE. It's perfect for children or even adults with more petite, smaller framed faces. So for anyone that wants something that's extra lightweight and easy to style, the Princess is perfect. So here is our long length, our long princess, our mid princess, and our short princess. If you're looking for the most natural wig, definitely start with a low density wig.